Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I want to make a Christmas tumbler for a gift. I bought a tumbler at Michael's, I'm pretty sure it was at Michael's, and it was regularly $10, but I got it on sale for $5. So I think it's going to be a really pretty gift if it turns out like I think that it will. So to start a new project, I already have Design Space loaded here. You just go to the circle with the plus, or you go to the right top corner, new project. It really doesn't matter, and click on that. Now that will put us onto our canvas. Now you can go to images here on the left hand corner, and if you want to search Christmas, you can either get into the cartridges, click on it and search Christmas right here, but I'm just going to look at all the images. So I'm going to click in there and type in Christmas, and you'll see they have a lot of sayings, a lot of designs that will come up. But I already know what I want, so I'm going up to the top right corner, My Projects, and click on that. Now, it's this one right here. I think it's going to be hilarious. So if you want to customize it, you just hit Customize. If you want to make it, just hit Make It if you don't need to customize it at all. But I'm going to click Customize and make sure it saved everything like I wanted it. And it did. I'm just basically going to make it the same size that it came in. So let me zoom in and you'll help you to see the design, but not up here. But up here the size is, the width is 3.631 and the height is 3 inches. And there's measurements along the top and the side as well. Okay, if you look over here in the right hand corner where the layers column is, panel, you'll see this is all cut, and that's what we need. So I'm going to go to the right top corner, Make It, click on that. I have my Cricut set to vinyl, and I'm going to be using 3 mats. You can reuse your mats, and you don't want to mirror this because you're going to be using your transfer tape to remove the image from the mat, and you're going to load your vinyl face side up or colored side up so that you can pull that up then with the transfer tape and adhere it. So what we're going to do is just go to Continue, right bottom corner, and now my computer is connecting to my Cricut, and like I said, it's set to vinyl, so the next time you see me, we'll be cutting out these adorable little elfies. Okay, here's this tumbler that I was telling you about that I got at Michael's. And it's, like I said, it's white, but it's so iridescent. You get all these beautiful colors from it. And I know it's going to be greatly appreciated as a gift, okay? So I'm going to make my little elf's feet a little different, okay? I'm choosing different colors, really not traditional Christmas colors. This is like a pink glitter holographic vinyl, and I'm just going to put it face side up to my standard grip mat with the vinyl facing up, the color, okay? And then you just put this in here and load it with the blinking arrow. And then we will just cut with the blinking C. But I think this is going to be such an adorable little gift, and you don't have to keep with traditional Christmas colors if you don't want to. All right, and now we'll unload this with the arrow, and then to peel it away, all you do is get up here to the corner. Sometimes it's kind of tricky to get it started, and just peel away what you don't want, okay? And then this will be our little dots for our little tips of our toes, okay? I'm going to set this over here since I'm on my last piece of Cricut transfer tape, and I'm going to get the other like I said. Okay, so next we're going to cut, I think I want the dominant color in this blue. Okay. So I'm going to go back with this same color that I had on the tips of the toes of the little feet. And I'm going to load that. Okay, and the blinking C to cut. Now just make sure that this is adhered nicely to your mat. Sometimes I use a roller to roll it on, and it really helps because my mat is getting less sticky. Okay, we'll eject it. Okay, then we'll pull away everything we don't want. I think this is going to be so cute for a girl, okay? Alright, and then we're going to use this pretty blue for the rest. Alright, so now we'll just put this one right here just like we did the other one. And then we will load it with the blinking arrow and cut with the blinking C. Okay, then we're going to pull away everything that we don't want, and we're left with these. I think this is so cute. Alright, so what we're going to do is just get our Cricut transfer tape, and I'm going to put this on first. And we'll get our little scraper and apply it to the transfer tape. And then I'm just going to see where I want this. I think this is going to be adorable. I would even love having one of these. But you could write Merry Christmas. You could personalize it with their name. You could do so much. I think I'm going to go ahead and give it, not wait till Christmas though. Okay, and then we'll just start peeling at an angle. And you will see. And here it is. I love it. It looks so cute, okay? So then we're also going to now get this, because they have to have the other parts. And we're going to put this right here. And then we're just going to fit this. This is so cute. So these hang over the shoes. That, and just apply it right on here. And then just peel this off. And here is this adorable little tumbler. I think it is so cute. I mean, like I said, you could put their name up through here. I think that would be really cute. And I may do that later. But you could do so much with your Cricut, and this would make a wonderful gift. I just love how this turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.